It's moving. Wait. Look.
Is it moving?
Look, right?
Yeah, we do. Hold on.
No. It's a video. You gotta keep it that way. You gotta keep it that way. For YouTube, you have to keep it that way.
I understand now.
All right, how do I go?
It's good.
Am I gonna fall?
No.
Oh shit!
It is moving.
I told you. Welcome back to my channel. As you can see, I am in my apartment. My little wig right there. I got my new little wig. Well, it's not new. This wig is old, but I was tired of the short and curlies. I need long and wavy. But anyway, so you can see we are in my room of my apartment, and it is time to do some apartment shopping. Honestly, you guys, I have a ton of stuff. I have so much stuff in my apartment, like I really don't need to do too much shopping. So I'll give you guys like a quick little run around. Like I have, well, you'll see in a full video whenever I decide to show you guys the full thing. But I have two closets, so one right here, one right there. It's plenty of space, plenty of room. It's a lot of stuff. I don't think you can see it, but anyway. I'm gonna be recording on my phone because I actually sold my Canon earlier this year, like in the summer or whatever. So I'm recording on my phone. I hate these glasses. I'm trying to give my eyes a break because I had my contacts in for like 2 months. I know. I already know, don't tell me. Anyway, so yeah, we are about to go to IKEA. We about to get some stuff. This is my living room. I'm living foul. Well, I don't got no furniture yet. But this is my stuff. My TV. Where's my TV at? My TV on the floor. I've been watching Girlfriends. I wash. Yeah, it's cool. It's my space. It's comfortable. It's mine. Okay, so without further ado, we're just gonna head straight to IKEA. I'm probably not gonna vlog too much in the car because I like to listen to music. And you know, YouTube be doing a whole little copyright thing and I don't have time. Alright, so we made it in IKEA. It's cute in here. And it's real cute. It's a little, I ain't gonna touch nothing before I got germs on it. But it's cute. I really like that. And I done touched something. But I really like this wallpaper. This is cute.
Isn't it?
Yeah, that's real cute. I don't know what I'm about to get, but we ain't get no parts. Yeah. It looks a little different in here. I'm about to go sit on the couch.
More germs.
I hate fake plants. You do too? Oh my god, my grandma tried to give me like a little fake little pottery thing, and I told Dustin to put it down. Like I hate. Like I don't even care if the real ones died. Like I just like real stuff. Like I hate fake plants.
She got a real one of those. And I said, Mama, I want one of those.
Yeah, me too. I want one. They had them at Home Depot.
Oh, well, those are beautiful.
It's a little different. I ain't been in IKEA in forever. I don't even know what I want. I just want some stuff for my place. I don't even know what.
The only fake plant that we got in the house is this succulent.
Oh, yeah, that's different. This grown right here. Ooh, it say push to open.
Yeah.
Now, what do you open? What's going to open? Oh. Oh, this is nice.
That's sexy.
But I'm sure there's trash because everything in here you got to build, so mine won't pop out like this.
You actually pull this over. This is a wine cellar?
Oh, that's real nice.
Oh,
I ain't got time. Pick out some little grapes and stuff.
This is sexy.
Yeah, this is grown and sexy. It's like 42.
I'm gonna say this with no kids.
Yeah,
exactly.
42.
Mm-hmm. You need to hurry up and have kids.
Alright, so that's the end of this clip. Alright, so we're back now after that interruption. Now this kitchen is nice. Ooh, let's look at another kitchen. See, these kitchens are really cute. Okay, I can breathe now. It's so hard to breathe in this mask, and I know we're supposed to be safe. I can't breathe, and I got glasses on. I cannot breathe right now. This is hard. Then here's your little glass of wine. Your Sauvignon.
Yes, my Sauvignon.
We're gonna pour it up. Pour.
Actually pour something out. That's really cute. That's what your mom got.
Yeah, this is cute.
Oh, what's in my room?
Oh, I love the shower.
Oh,
You said what?
this is it.
Yeah, you gotta see the shower.
This is it.
The shower is lit.
I need, what's this price?
Look at the shower.
Oh.
I told you. Yeah, this is lit.
This is all lit.
This is lit.
This that black foot play.
In the pool. You a fool. I had to. I think my wig is offset.
The child, I have.
Okay, guys, I finally found something for my room. I'm looking at one of these. So it's either that one or that one. They're the same price, but I don't know which one I'm gonna get. And I'm probably gonna airbrush it or spray paint it, but I don't know. It's gonna be one of these. What y'all think? Left or right? Comment below which one you think I'm actually gonna get, because it's gonna be one of these. I just don't know which one. I'm leaning, they the same height, they the same price, and it's pretty much the same aesthetic makeup. I don't know. But I know I'm gonna get one of these today. It's gonna be in my room. I'm probably gonna spray it. I'm like spray paint it like maybe silver, or I may do like a rose gold. Ooh, that'd be cute, like a rose gold pinkish. I don't know, but that's cute. So one of these. I'm thinking this one, because this one is bigger. Like I can put my my skincare fridge, I can put that on here. Okay, yeah, I'm gonna get this one. Yep, I'm gonna get this today. That's gonna be cute. I'm gonna probably build that on camera for y'all later, but that's cute. What you doing? Looking and thinking. You in a deep thought.
Yep. Looking and thinking.
That's cute. But that's like real little and skinny. I don't know. I like it. It's cute though.
It is cute though.
Child. Okay. Fake flowers.
Okay, let me stop. Let me just take one out of talking.
You are stupid.
This is like I'm making myself video.
Okay. Okay, real plants.
Okay, these are
Finally.
real plants.
Finally. I hate fake plants.
Look. I think I'm gonna come to my mama's house today.
And do what? Ooh, 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 ooh. I think I'm gonna buy a plant today. Oh, this one's dying. Oh, that's a snake plant. I think I'm gonna get a snake plant. What's the price? No, but they got it at Trader Joe's. Well, I ain't seen none at Trader Joe's, but they usually have it there.
Okay.
Cause I need some too, actually. Where's the prices?
I want to hang some for my.
In the shower, yep. I want some too. Here's your succulents. What are prices at?
It's not on it?
Mm-mm. I know, right?
This is just fucking game. Spend some money.
No, got the wrong one for that one.
I hear that.
My body hurt. Yeah, these are cute little
These like
fiddle.
green
Yeah.
looking flowers.
Yeah, I got one of these at Pooh Bear House. Where the hell is the price at? This is mind blowing. This is snake tree plants. I think I'm gonna get one. I want it. Oh, maybe I should get one of these. Oh, okay. It reminds me of Beauty and the Beast.
That's all I thought
Yep,
of.
that's what I thought about. The little rose. Yep. You said when you two what? This is the mirror? I like this. I can work with this mirror. It's bigger than what I thought. I can get this. It's gonna fit in my car. Oh, this is cute.